Are you thinking about having Botox? Botox has made a huge splash in the health and beauty market because of its ability to erase and minimize wrinkles. The stunning success of the Botox solution has had beauty enthusiasts lining up to receive their wrinkle treatments. Are Botox treatments safe? After all, Botox is a protein toxin produced by clostridium botulinum bacteria. This is the first cousin to the deadly botulism bacteria. Botox has been safely used by ophthalmologists for over a decade without any serious side effects being reported. This drug has actually been around since the early 1960s. Originally, it was used as a treatment for crossed eyes. The manner in which Botox works is that it is injected into the muscle where the wrinkles appear. When the Botox is injected into the muscle, the frown lines, crow's feet and laugh lines temporarily disappear. I stress the use of the word temporary because a Botox treatment normally lasts about 3 to 6 months. Botox treatments were approved by the Food and Drug Administration as a treatment of muscles that produce frown lines. Botox injections have quickly become the fastest-growing cosmetic procedure and are anticipated to be used on over 4.5 million patients in 2006. They are more popular than breast augmentation. Current Botox patients report that after several treatments that the effects of this wrinkle cure last much longer. It is important to note that Botox is ineffective for fine wrinkles because fine wrinkles do not appear because of facial expression caused by facial muscles. On the flip side, the one negative of Botox treatments is a slight and temporary drooping of the eyelid. At the present time, this appears to be the most important side effect of Botox treatment. While Botox has been safely used by millions of patients, it is recommended that pregnant women, or women who are breastfeeding their babies as well as patients suffering from neurologic disease should never use Botox. Botox treatments do not work for everyone. However, over 90% of patients who have been surveyed are extremely happy with this procedure. This temporary cure for wrinkles has created quite a bit of excitement in the health and beauty field. This procedure is administered by qualified plastic surgeons. The average cost for a simple Botox treatment is about $200 to $400 for each area that it is applied to. Always remember, health is wealth. If you would like to see more of these videos and support this channel, please click the like and the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell to get the latest video update.